Chop time, baby! Hello, and welcome back to Jack and Rob. So today's video is actually going to be me chopping my hair.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Robin is letting me cut her hair. I almost always give her trims and whatnot, but today is going to be a big cut.
A big chop. I chopped my hair about 2 years ago, about this length. I've let it grown out, and now it's time for another chop. I'm very nervous because there are mixed opinions in the house whether I should do this or not, but I'm excited and it's good time because it's summer and it's going to be changed and
get rid of all the dyed hair.
Yeah, that's another thing is my green. Although it looks more green on camera, in person it's almost like blonde and it looks like I just got bleached and then went into a pool for a couple hours. So it's not the look I'm going for, you know?
And before the green, she had it blonde. Before the blonde, she had it red. Before the red, she had it purple and pink. And it's been, it's fried. But like, it's healthy, but like, we'll take that out.
Oh my god, it's not that bad. I was about to talk about how I might donate it.
Oh yeah.
So I'm also planning on possibly donating my hair. It has been dyed, but I have googled and there are some places that will take color treated hair. Although it has been all the colors of the rainbow, it's actually not that damaged because I've been taking care of my hair decently well for the last while. So I'm gonna look into that. We will save it into ponytails and hopefully I'll be able to donate it, but that's still up in the air, so we'll see. I'm going to stay brown for a little bit once I chop it, but I may or may not already have plans on how I'm going to dye it later. So like I said, change is good. I'm going to have short hair like you. Yeah.
I'm next.
Ooh.
Just kidding.
Yeah, so we're going to get this started, see how it goes, and let's get chopping. Chop, chop.
Wait. Chop. Chop.
You need a cutty.
You need to cut it.
Oh, God.
Step cap behind the scenes of Jack and Rob. Boo. Oh, you're so cute. Say goodbye to your hair.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so we have our hair cutting scissors, a little comb, and some hair ties because we're going to tie her hair and chop the locks.
Okay, wait, let's see how long it is first.
This is her bum. The start of it.
Sorry.
Mom wouldn't approve.
Aren't you tall?
Above the ponytail. If you cut below the ponytail, it would all fall to the ground.
I know. I was making a joke. Pippi belongs puppy. How do you feel, Robin?
I'm nervous.
Oh.
I'm so excited.
Of course you are. That's
I
scary.
love cutting hair. Any men out there want me to cut your hair? I'm trying to learn.
Wait for
It's
us.
chop time. Chop, 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 chop. I'll cut here, and then we can take a bit more off. Okay, I'm ready.
You can't cut it though until I tell you. Do you understand me?
Okay.
Okay.
Jesus.
Well, I could just, you being like,
I would.
exactly. So, no, don't. Shit. I'm gonna piss myself.
Let me do it. Robin, breathe. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
It's not that bad.
Come on.
See,
Wait,
that means
let me just talk this through. Yo, I've wanted this for months. I know I look good with short hair. I've been done it. I've had it.
She's been done it.
I've been done it. I look good, okay? I look good. I look fine.
She
This
looks
is
good
just
in
hair.
hair. She looks good in red hair. She looks good in purple hair. She looks good in short hair. She looks good in balding hair. She looks good in every hair. She
Balding.
If you were, you would look good. That's the point.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna piss myself.
I'm gonna do it. I'm going ahead.
Okay, wait. I look good with short hair.
You rock it. You look so
Okay, pause.
No, I'm not. I know what I'm doing. Trust me. I've cut your hair for years. Get this. Are you? Awkward.
Okay, time go.
I've cut your hair for years. I do good every time. I dye your hair, I bleach your hair, I style your hair, I braid your hair, I do your hair. You look good. Because
Thank you, Sensei.
Okay.
Okay, wait! Wait, sorry. Okay, You need to not zoom in. This is a one take wonder. You're zooming in my face right now. I can see the lens.
Zoom in.
Okay, are you ready?
You're gonna thank me so much later. Okay, no second
I'm going
chances.
to love it. Just freaking do it, y'all.
It's gonna take 2 years to grow back, but that's okay.
Oh, hell no. Oh, my God. Okay. Oh my God.
Is that a good angle, Steph? She thick. Chill.
That's an angle! What the hell is that?
Look, it looks straight.
It's fine. No, I don't want to see it till you cut it.
It's
Oh,
straight.
just do that next one. It's fine. Do the next one.
Chill
Wait.
the F.
She did one.
Oh,
I don't want to throw it to the front yet.
I cut one shorter than the other.
Oh my God, you look so cute.
Oh my God, I love it already. Oh yeah. What was the last 2 hours about?
I got your hair.
Hello, camera on me. We spent the last 2 hours planning this, taking photos.
Yeah, well, this took me the last 2 years to grow.
And
so
now-
I can have a little panic attack. It's fine.
Dude, I don't even need to touch it up. It's like a log.
No, you
I
need
did
to
not
touch it up.
purpose.
I
Look.
want it shorter.
It's like a log. It's like a log. Look at this one shorter than this one. Hell yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, you didn't do it on purpose though.
Yeah, I did. You're too tall for me. I need you to get
This,
on
I
my-
like that. This needs to be shorter.
Yeah.
Oh my God, can you show off my hair now?
Yeah, but I need a short.
We have changed locations.
Sexy.
Thank you. Oh, you look like Shrek.
Mustache. Hey, Robin, I mustache you a question. Do you like your new hair?
I do. This is literally what my hair looked like when I went for the first year of university. And I'm looking at myself, I'm like, should I be in school? Yo, ooh. Wait, Jack, it's a look though.
Extensions?
Oh my God, I look like all the TikTokers.
She's moving like crazy, so if this isn't straight, it's her.
Okay, well, why would you keep cutting if I'm moving? Hairdresser?
Because that's what they do. They don't pause to let you check your phone or talk to the camera.
You look like such a little girl. I know, I look so much younger.
I think you should
Like you
taper it
said.
and then let me make it more blunt.
No.
I like the blunt look.
I like the tapered look.
I'm your hairstylist. I do your hair.
No. So we're moving outside because it's so hot in our house. Not gonna lie, I don't regret it because I know I used to love my short hair, but I currently don't love it because it's so straight across and we've already gone.
I love the blunt look, guys. I personally
I like it on other people. I feel like I look like a 12-year-old. So we're gonna try and taper it and save it. So Jacqueline just tapered the back very slightly and now I'm just tapering and trying to frame my face a little bit. I think I already like it a lot more with like the layers in the front so it's not so blunt. But I'm gonna add a little bit more and we will show you the finished result. And this is the after. So basically I just added a bunch of layers to the front and some more on this side. This is a couple days later and I've already been able to wash it and dry it a lot and it's so much easier. I think I'm gonna just keep it short for a while and then eventually dye it in the future and maybe grow it out. But for right now, I'm really enjoying the short haired look. Okay guys, thank you for watching another one of our videos here on Jack and Rob. We hope you enjoyed it. I just want to say thank you to Jacqueline for cutting my hair even though I gave her a hard time. Anyways, and thank you for Stephanie for recording and you had to deal with us. That's a hard time too. And thank you for Robyn.
I just like to thank Robyn for being in my life, for being born,
and her adorable hair.
for being the third to our sisters, and for letting me cut her hair. I had a lot of fun.
You're welcome. Anytime. Maybe not anytime, but 2 years from now.
Okay, stay tuned for the next video. I'm the Jack of Jack and Rob. Rob is coming.
The other day when we did the freaking TikTok and then
There we go.
these are wet.
Step cam. Do 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 do. Step cam. Do 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 do. Yes.
What actually style it. This is the first good attempt I've actually had. Rude.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jack and Rob. Today we're doing a Jack mukbang.
Hello and welcome back. Wait.
Yeah, that should be fine.
You wanted to. I really like my short hair. I had a panic attack for nothing.
Step cam, where we go behind the scenes of Jack and Rob. Bum bum bum.
We didn't even do the TikTok. Take them out. We can do a chop like a cutty.
But this isn't the last of Step cam.
I want my